Drive-by downloads are one of the most common methods used by cyber criminals to install malware and gain unauthorized access to your device. Through malware on a legitimate website, a program is downloaded to a user's system just by visiting the site. It doesn't require any type of action by the user to download. Typically, a small snippet of code is downloaded to the user's system, and that code then reaches out to another computer to get the rest and download the program. It often exploits vulnerabilities in the user's operating system or in different programs, such as Word, Java, and Adobe. To lower your risk, be sure all of your operating systems and software programs are up to date. Additionally, try to minimize the number of browser extensions you use, as these sometimes can be easily compromised. Here again, common sense and awareness is the best way to avert an attack. Keep your software and operating systems up to date, and for business systems, end-user cybersecurity training will help keep your networks free from drive-by downloads.